Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, let's prepare for the task. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure your engine has cooled down for at least a few hours. This prevents serious burns from hot coolant or engine parts. Having the right tools ready will make the process much smoother. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Position a large drain pan, capable of holding at least 2 gallons, directly beneath the radiator. Slowly open the radiator drain plug, allowing the old fluid to flow out. Removing the radiator cap will create a vacuum break, helping the coolant drain more quickly and completely. Ensure all the old fluid is captured. Next, we'll flush the system to remove any remaining contaminants. Once the old coolant is fully drained, close the radiator drain plug. Fill the system with distilled water, then run the engine for about 10 minutes with the heater on high. This circulates the water, cleaning the system. Finally, drain the distilled water completely, repeating if necessary until clear. Finally, it's time to refill and bleed the system. Close the drain plug and fill the radiator with a new 50/50 coolant mixture. Start the engine with the heater on high and let it run for 15 to 20 minutes. This helps to bleed any trapped air. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top off the reservoir to the full cold line as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.